So this is gonna be really crappy and really quick, but we're gonna go for it. So I'm gonna take the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Fair because I am white as hell, and I'm just gonna dot that all around my face. And I don't wear foundation because I don't like how gross it makes my skin feel, and I just feel really heavy. So I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. liquid liner in Jet Black. Pray for me. I'm gonna have to cover up the camera for this one. I cannot do this. Okay, that looks like crap, but we're gonna ignore it because I'm too lazy to go and fix it. Then I'm gonna take these two e.l.f. mascaras. I only know the name of this one. It's the Lengthening and Volumizing Mascara. I don't know the name of this one. I think it has something to do with volumizing though. I just realized that I don't have anything for my eyebrows that's vegan, so we're going all natural for this one. Now I'm going to take the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer in Medium Deep. Okie dokie. Now I'm going to go in with the NYX Mosaic Powder Blush in Rosy. Now I'm just gonna set my makeup with the Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray that literally everyone and their mother has because it's so good. It's so good. Okay. I forgot to mention before this video, I just put on some lip balm because I don't really want to do super heavy lip if I don't have a lot of eyeshadow on. So that does it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to follow me on all my social media. The links are down below, and subscribe and like this video if you want. Why am I so ugly?